everybody, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another layout for the 52 weeks of 52 photos of everyday life hop, hosted by Miranda Weber and over at My Scrappy Life. And I am also combining this with Mix It Up Monday, and which is every second Monday of the month. There is a hop, and pretty much it is to use mixed media. And there's usually a sketch given, and this month the sketch is designed by Kay's mom, which is Jennifer Gagney, but she's known as Kay's mom here on YouTube. And I am going to deviate a little bit from the sketch. As y'all can see, there's lots of circles. And I'm not really going to do circles, except I'm going to use this stencil, because I had to work in mixed media. I'm kind of going to cheat a little bit, because I'm going to use, I'm also combining this with my Baby Got Scraps and my, How to Kill a Kit with Style also. I didn't say that, but this is a paper from my kit that I created, and these are zip strip scraps from it. And this is also, I matted this photo with some of the paper from the kit that was scraps, and this is a picture of my grandbabies at the doctor recently. They were sick. I think everyone is sick right now. And I created this title, which I thought was really cute. And this is kind of going to be my representative of my circle. Since I made the big loop at the top with the stethoscope, I thought I could use a stencil and put a few circles in at the bottom and kind of get there with the sketch. But I'm kind of going a little rogue this time. I have some printable flowers that I printed out, and it all started out with this title. I wanted to do that picture, so I created the title, and I was actually planning on going pink, and then I went through my kit papers, and I found this one, and this was the closest thing that could kind of go with the picture. Even though it has butterflies, I'm going to cover those up. And then I had this cute doctor stuff that I pulled out the other day when I was looking through my drawers for something else, and I found these. And they're super cute. This one was created by Carolyn Weston. I did give it freckles and doodle up the eyes a little bit. And then this one was created by Ginger. And I thought they went perfect. And since they had the orange, I ended up, and this was orange based, I found these orange flowers, so I was like, okay, we're going with orange, even though, if you've been watching, you know, I don't care for orange. It is my least favorite color. And so then I ended up adding in a scrap for this that was orange. So that's how we came about with all the orange. And then I have these printables that I cut out to go with my theme of the doctor. So this is not necessarily a favorite photo, but it is an everyday life photo. So here we are. Alright, so let's just put this together. First off, I'm going to start with, and I'm going to use this butterscotch butter, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but Kimberly gave me this, and I love it, and y'all know I've been using it every day, literally. So we're going to go ahead and do this so that I can give it a minute to dry. Oh, and I wanted to say, Carolyn Weston is scrapbooking with a twist on YouTube. Check her out. She is very detailed and makes such pretty stuff. And of course, most of y'all know Ginger over at Ginger's Corner. So definitely check her out. She has lots of things going on. And let's see here. I'm just going to get a little bit on here. doesn't take much. But I'm thinking I will go, because a lot of my, this is going to focus up here. So, and my thoughts are I'm going to use this across here just because as a landing place. So, maybe do one here and then maybe just do a few around here because a lot of this is going to be get covered up. So I'm looking at my page on my computer so I can see where I have everything laid out. Yeah, I think I need to do a few here, hit it down here so that, because a lot of this area is going to be covered up. Which I don't want it like in your face, but like I said, I did want to kind of be fair and play along with the circle element of it. So I wanted to put some circles in it. And I don't have really a good other circle stencil, except they're all little bitty circles, so okay, get just a little bit more. This stuff usually takes roughly about 10 minutes to dry. And whenever it's on, it is on. So you need to make sure you're washing your stencils, or if you use it with stamps or anything like that, like you need to wash it quickly because it really dries fast and it dries on there. You can't get it off. I'm going to do one up here just so it's not alone. So it's not all bottom heavy. And maybe even just a small one here. Okay, so, woo, well, I drop it everywhere. I'm going to go wash this and give this just a minute to dry, and I will be right back, and we will put this thing together. Okay, so we're back, and it is dry. Look how pretty. I know it's hard to see, but it's very gold and shining, and I love it. Okay, so now we're just going to kind of build the page. I'm going to take my strips and I'm going to put them down here. And I want them to kind of be as a resting space for all of my little bears and all my embellishments pretty much. So, I don't know if I want to cross them up or... I do kind of like it like that. Let's see. Okay, I do. I like it like that. So, I'm going to glue this one down. This is a good way to use up those zip strips. Just add them on as a little featured part. I'm just going to trim these off. And then I am going to, let's see, I'm going to just lay stuff out for a second. And see how I want it to go. So I think I'm going to put the girls over here to cover up all of those butterflies. Okay, I think I like it like that. Alright, let me glue this down. It has been interesting trying to think up ways to use up this 49 and Market paper that is not floral or girly or whatever themed. And I've been having fun doing it. I've used it on winter pages so far. Now a doctor's layout. else did I use it? I did snow. Did I do New Year's with the 49 market? I did the book layout. So I've used it in a lot of different ways so far. So I'm excited to see if I can use up the whole kit by the end of the month. Like, I want to use up all of the papers and not have any left. But we'll see if I can get there. Alright, so I'm going to put that on there like that. And then I'm just going to add all of my little other things. So I think I'm going to add my flowers. I might actually add some foam tape just to give them a little bit of dimension. I know it's weird to add flowers for a doctor visit, but I thought with all the orange, I needed to bring in something else because it just didn't look right, especially using all the floral stuff up here. So I ended up just using some printables so that I could help bring the color and the flowers in down here to kind of just fill it in as fillers. And I think it looks alright. They ended up having both of them had sinus infections and double ear infections. So that's not fun. They're finally getting over it. So let's see. I think I want to kind of just layer all of these things up in here. Let's see. I wanted to do the mask just because they were had to wear a mask. Let's see. How do I want this to go? Maybe the bear over here since he's shorter so it's not blocking the flowers exceptionally all the way. I've got it stuck. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. This just looks out of place. Should I add it up here? I ripped it off. It must have really got stuck in there. I don't know where it was stuck, but I ripped the edge off. Oh no. Okay. Well, I could put it there so that it's just all clustered together. Okay. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this one on foam. And I think the medicine, I'm just going to glue it down. And then these I'm going to definitely put on foam. And then I guess this one I will just glue so that I can hide the edge of that piece I ripped off. I'm telling you. And this is pretty much going to be my layout. So, I just want to say, you guys definitely go over and check out everyone else that's playing along with Mix It Up Monday and with the 52 weeks of everyday photos. How to Kill a Kit with Style. Baby Got Scraps. There is lots of inspiration this month. I think as, you know, the month and the year goes on, of course it will slow down with all the different things going on, but everyone starts a new year off with high hopes and wanting to do all the challenges and all the things, and it just kind of tuckers out. So I know there's lots of things now, so don't feel overwhelmed, but I think it turned out really cute. Look at these pieces. I love them. Carolyn and Ginger did such a great job. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And until next time, bye y'all.